Hello everyone, this is George from Heat Transsource. I'm going to be showing you how to decorate a polyester shirt using a sublimation transfer. What I'm using here is our own Sublo t-shirts. And actually, if you see here, it doesn't come through. You can't see my hand. So it's a really thick material. It almost feels like cotton. It's actually 95% polyester and 5% spandex. So right now I have my temperature at 380. I'm gonna press it for 50 seconds. So I'm gonna lay down the shirt.
Okay.
I have my transfer here. It's an American Eagle. I'll lay this on top. And I'm gonna press it for 50 seconds. So again, when you use sublimation, you have to make sure that the shirt, it's 100% polyester. The less count it is, the less vibrant it's gonna look. So you want to make sure it's 100% polyester so it looks so vibrant. If you use cotton shirts or dark shirts, if you use a dark shirt, you're not gonna be able to see the image. If you use 100% cotton shirt, the image is gonna look really, really faded and washed out. So, okay, the heat press is about to beep. And what we're using here is an Instagraphic heat press. Okay, remove the transfer. Look at how good it looks, vibrant. And as you can see, the image did not transfer to the back. And I know there's a lot of shirts out there that tends to happen a lot. So I highly recommend to try our Sublo t-shirts, but that's how you decorate a polyester shirt. Now what I'm gonna do now, just so you could see, I'm gonna grab a Gildan 100% cotton shirt, and I'm gonna press it the same way so you can see the end result. I have the same image, and I'm gonna press it. 380 for 50 seconds. All right, it's about to beat. I'm gonna remove the transfer. You see how it looks really washed out? I pressed this on a 100% cotton shirt. So you wanna see the results? Let's come over here. You have 100% polyester or 95 polyester, 5% spandex, and you have 100% cotton shirt here. The difference is night and day. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. We have a ton of videos coming your way.